November 14th being this World Diabetic Day, ISKCON is very much giving importance and stress on lifestyle because we follow traditional Indian scriptures, cultural scriptures, which says the present style of living is very bad. So right from the food habits, right from sleep, right from their lifestyle. So being diabetic is a lifestyle health issue. ISKCON is giving a lot of importance for all these camps. So almost like once in 3 months we do these kind of camps regularly, and mainly because we are in the outskirts of Trivandrum and people who live around here are not exposed, or so much of awareness is not given in this topic. So we hold these kind of programs regularly. For the last 3 days it's a red alert and pouring down, but still we got 200 plus people coming there, and they are also very happy because if they go out they have to spend thousands of rupees for all these stays, and we have a very good panel of senior doctors who can guide them, give them proper awareness. So people's response is very good. It's very impressive.
Globally, the prevalence of diabetes is increasing day by day. So this is more for awareness, and also to detect new diabetic patients on this day, because many of the people, they do not know that they are diabetic. And secondly, COVID-19 has given a lot of new diabetic patients, because many of them were detected only during COVID days, and many of them have become diabetic after getting infected with diabetes, maybe in 2-3 months time or so. Many of the people, they do not know, they just take the drugs and they do not know what are the complications they are going to have, and what sort of drugs, how to do exercise, what is the importance of exercise in their life. So all this awareness need to be there for a better future of India as well as globally. So we do this awareness camp every year on 14th of November. Last year we couldn't do because of the COVID, but this time we have done it in Wisconsin. Today we did fasting sugar for nearly 175 people. 200, almost the same number postprandial. We did HbA1c for the same number of people. Also we did lipid profile for all. We had taken around 100 ECGs, and especially those patients who had some chest discomfort and those who were diabetic for a long time. We measured BP, and we had followed the protocols, and the most important thing was we had a very successful awareness classes in which we had 2 or 3 sessions along with a dietitian, and we made people understand what is diabetes, what are the complications, how do they need to go ahead with diabetes, and also regarding the diabetes and all those questions they had in their mind regarding rice and wheat and sweets and fruits, everything, and also regarding exercise, which was made clear.
We are trying to plan a follow-up session every 3 months. So we have collected their data, and we will be in touch with them, we will guide them, and we will help them, to come out of this. Mainly what we have understood is like regular encouragement is required, this kind of stuff. So we are planning, once in 3 months like that.